Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Meta AI on Messenger. While there's no official settings to completely turn off or remove Meta AI from Facebook Messenger search bar, or even right here at the bottom right, well, that is because it is integrated directly into the core app software. However, you can hide its presence, mute its responses permanently, and restrict its data access. Now, if you want to follow along, go ahead and do so by all means. All right, so first up, we're going to try to mute and hide the Meta AI's chat. So tap on Meta AI right here, tap on the information icon, now tap on mute, and then until I change it, tap on OK. Either one's done, let's move forward. Let's go ahead and try to wipe Meta AI's memory records. So go back and then type down /reset space AI, just like so. Tap on send. Now it says here, got it, fresh start. Consider this a reset. Okay. Now another option, or step 3. Let's go ahead and prevent Meta AI from accessing our private chats. So open a conversation with a friend or group. Tap their profile. And then scroll down and find message permissions right here. Tap on it and disable message sharing. So it says here, everyone in this chat can share messages with Meta AI or autosave photos. You disable that feature. And lastly here, or the last step, is that we are going to opt out of AI training data. And this one is region dependent. Sometimes you don't have it, depending on your region, and sometimes you have it. So go ahead and go back, tap on menu right here, tap on settings, and then let's go ahead and scroll all the way down and find privacy and safety. Now go ahead and find Meta AI. So if you have Meta AI right here, just look for the object or privacy rights request form. Just tap on it and submit your location and fill out the opt-out form to block Meta from accessing or scanning your personal data. And there you have it. Those are the ways to at least hide Meta AI's presence and mute its responses permanently. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.